Have you ever planted seeds full of hope and ended up with nothing but weeds and confusion? You water every day, you follow the rules, but still something rots, something dies, and the garden wins. I've been there, but after growing food for over 20 years, including starting from scratch with nothing but a tiny backyard, I discovered something that changed everything. Some vegetables practically raised themselves. Today, I'm sharing 15 vegetables so easy to grow, you'll wonder why you ever struggled. Whether you're a complete beginner or just tired of putting in effort with no results, this list is for you. Stay till number 14. Most people skip it, and it's honestly one of the smartest vegetables you can grow. At the end, it will cut your gardening work in half. Let's go. Number 1, zucchini. If there's one vegetable that refuses to fail, it's zucchini. Push seeds an inch deep into warm soil after your last frost date. Give it sunshine and water. Then step back, because in 45 to 55 days, this plant will flood you with more fruit than you know what to do with. 1 or 2 plants is enough for a whole family. Your neighbors will start avoiding you when they see you coming with another bag. Zucchini grows in USDA zones 3 to 11, handles most soil types, and rarely gets sick if you water at the base. Harvest when fruits reach 6 to 8 inches. Smaller fruits taste better and keep the plant producing. Top varieties: Black Beauty, Costa Romanesco. Number 2, green beans. Green beans are the definition of plant it and forget it. Sow seeds an inch deep after frost, and they'll germinate in just 7 to 10 days. Bush varieties start producing in 50 to 60 days, while pole beans take slightly longer, but give you a much bigger, longer harvest. Here's the bonus. Green beans fix their own nitrogen in the soil, meaning they actually improve your garden while they grow. Less fertilizer, better soil, more food. Best varieties: Blue Lake, Provider, Contender. Great in cooler weather. Number 3, radishes. Want your first harvest in under a month? Grow radishes. Some varieties go from seed to plate in just 20 to 25 days. Sow half an inch deep, water regularly, and you're basically done. Radishes love cool weather, making them perfect for early spring and fall. Plant a new row every 2 weeks for a continuous harvest all season. If you've never grown food before and want a quick confidence boost, start here. You'll be eating something you grew before your other seeds even sprout. Best varieties: Cherry Belle, French Breakfast, White Icicle. Number 4, lettuce. Lettuce is the perfect beginner crop and one of the smartest ways to use your garden space. Scatter seeds on moist soil, press them lightly, and keep them damp. Don't bury them. Lettuce needs light to germinate. You'll see sprouts in 4 to 10 days and be harvesting baby leaves in just 3 to 4 weeks. It thrives in partial shade, which means it's perfect for those garden corners that don't get full sun. It's also a cut and come again crop harvest the outer leaves, and the plant keeps growing more from the center for months. Best varieties: Red Sales, Butter Crunch, Black Seeded Simpson. Number 5, cherry tomatoes. Regular tomatoes can be tricky. Cherry tomatoes? They're the fun, stress-free cousin. More disease-resistant, more forgiving of irregular watering, and they produce like crazy from midsummer right through your first frost. Plant transplants after the last frost in full sun. Cage them or stake them. Feed every couple of weeks and water at the base. Then just keep picking, because the more you harvest, the more they produce. Many varieties will even self-seed, meaning next year's plants pop up on their own. True lazy gardener magic. Best varieties: Sweet Million, Sun Gold, Super Sweet 100. Number 6, cucumbers. Cucumbers want 2 things: heat and water. Give them those and they'll reward you with armloads of fruit all summer. Direct sow seeds an inch deep in warm soil. They germinate in 5 to 10 days and start producing in 50 to 65 days. Grow them on a trellis to save space, improve airflow, and make harvesting incredibly easy. Key tip: harvest frequently. An overripe cucumber on the vine tells the plant to stop producing. Keep picking, and the plant keeps growing. Best varieties: Space Master, containers, Straight 8, Market More number 7. Swiss chard is the toughest vegetable you're probably not growing. It handles heat, cold, poor soil, and drought better than almost anything else. Sow 1/2 inch deep, thin seedlings to 6 inches apart, and harvest outer leaves as needed. It will keep pushing out new leaves from the center for months. The Bright Lights variety has rainbow-colored stems so beautiful, it looks like it belongs in a flower bed. Ready in 30 days, baby leaves. 50 to 60 days, full size. Number 8, kale. Say what you want about kale in the kitchen and the garden. It's basically unkillable. Kale handles temperatures down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit and actually tastes sweeter after a frost. Sow seeds 1/4 inch deep, thin to 12 to 18 inches, and let it grow. Like Swiss chard, it's cut and come again harvest from the bottom up, and the plant keeps producing. In mild climates, a single kale plant can feed you from spring through winter. Number 9. Peas are a cool season crop that goes in the ground before most other vegetables even wake up. Sow seeds 1 inch deep in early spring, even if light frosts are still possible. Give them something to climb, keep soil moist, and harvest in 50 to 70 days. Like green beans, peas are nitrogen fixers. They improve your soil while they produce. The harvest window is short, 3 to 4 weeks, but incredibly satisfying. Best varieties: Sugar Snap, Super Sugar Snap, Oregon Sugar Pod. Number 10, potatoes. If a potato forgotten in your pantry can start growing on its own, that tells you everything. Cut sprouted potatoes into chunks with 1 or 2 eyes. Let them dry for a day. Plant 4 inches deep in loose soil. As plants grow, hill soil up around the stems. This simple step encourages more tubers and is the only real special care potatoes need. One seed piece can yield 5 to 10 potatoes. You can even grow them in bags, buckets, or straw bales. No traditional garden space required. Best varieties: Yukon Gold, Red Pontiac, Kennebec. One simple thing that changes everything. Want to make all 10 of these vegetables even easier? Mulch heavily. Lay a 3 to 4 inch layer of straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips around every plant. That's it. Here's what mulch does for you. It blocks weeds so you're not pulling them every weekend. It holds moisture in the soil so you water less. It keeps roots cooler in summer and warmer in early spring. And as it breaks down, it feeds your soil naturally. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe. I put out new videos every week on growing real food the easy way. Now go plant something. You've got this.